Before I made this video, gumawa na ako ng video greetings ng mama ko for this Valentine's. I make little appreciation to my second mother, my mother-in-law. Simple yet with touchy heart. To greet them heartedly Valentine's Day. This what goes and this is what happened. Nanay. For Valentine's Day.
Pangalan mo?
Na dito. Oh. Choose daw ani ka tala na ning isa. Asay mo ha. Happy Valentine's Day gani, asay mo choose gani ani. Choose ani mo ha nga design. This flower or ganing heart. Ikaw heart? Heart na lang. Flower kanini lang iyahon no kay pang bagets. And then choose ani asay mo like. That one. Natay wala. Dayon, mag-chocolate ka? Di ka? Dilaw ra. Kaning isa oh. Ito yung lilain.
Tawas na duloy.
May Valentine's Day. Wala ko lahat.
Ay, gira. Ay, lima na.
Di ka mag-chocolate?